Good morning everybody. Welcome to our session number 2. Today we'll be working out our biceps and triceps. We will be beginning with the warm-up. Let's start with the jumping jacks. We'll be doing 20 jumping jacks. Make sure you get the full arm swing. Very nice. Very nice. Keep it steady. Make sure you breathe. Very nice. Let's go to high knees. We'll be doing 20 of these. Alright, let's begin. The next warm-up is dumbbell biceps curl. Make sure you only use light weight because we are just warming up our muscles. We're just sending a signal to our muscles that we are going to work them out. Very nice. 1, 3, very nice. Come on. 4, amazing. 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll be doing 20 reps, so you can do 15 reps. 16 reps, but it's good to do at least 20 reps to warm up your muscle, warm up your forearm, warm up your shoulder. Very nice. Keep going, keep going. Amazing. Very nice. Let's move on to our next warm up, which is a tricep push-ups. All you need is a slightly inclined bench for any surface. You put your entire body on the bench and you just use your triceps to contract that motion. Very nice. Warm up. We will be doing 15 to 20 reps. For warm up, you can go for a 1 round or you can go for 2 rounds, depending on how good you feel about the workout. Very nice. Let's go for 20 reps. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Very nice. Amazing. Well done. That's the end of our warm-up. We are going to start with our workout now. The first exercise we'll be doing is dumbbell hammer curls. Let's begin. Okay. 1, 2. Very nice. Keep your elbow locked. Don't move your elbows or you don't use a lot of momentum. Make sure you pick up a right weight. Don't exert yourself. Make sure you're following the right form. Very nice. Beautiful. Keep going. Yes, very good, very good. How many reps? 10. Very good. Let's do 2. Let's do 3 more. We'll be doing 15 reps. 4, 5. That's it. After finishing one set, we can rest for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, or maybe 30 seconds. And if you feel like it, you can just jump into it. You want to start over? Alright. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, very nice, 13, 2 more reps, 14, 15, and done. Beautiful. So we'll be only doing 2 sets of double hammer curls. You can do more sets if you like, but if you're a beginner, just stick to 2 sets at the beginning and then just progress slowly in the following weeks. Now, the next exercise we'll be doing is our overhead dumbbell extension. We'll be using 1 dumbbell. You can use both arms as well, so if you feel comfortable. Make sure your bicep stay close to your ear and then you just extend your arm using your triceps. Your prime focus should be here. Don't give more momentum to your elbow joint. Very nice. Nice and slow. Just keep the focus on your triceps. Amazing. We'll be doing 12 to 15 reps. Keep breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very nice. Nice and steady. Amazing. How many reps? 10. Let's do 4 more. 11. 12. Yes. 13. Very nice. 14. One more. Now let's move to the other side. Switch arms. Okay. 1, 2. Very nice. 3, 4. Amazing. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's good. 9, 10. 5 more reps. 5 more to go. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. 4. And we're done. This is our end of set 1 for overhead dumbbell extension. You can take a rest here for 15 seconds, maybe 20 seconds. It's good to take a rest because if you feel tired, it will ruin up your next set. So make sure you rest properly before doing the next set. So we're gonna just jump into our next set. Alright, let's begin. You can start with 12 to 15 reps for set 2. 2, very nice. 3, amazing. 4. Keep your mind, keep your focus on the tricep. That is going to help you a lot. If you can develop a good mind-muscle connection, you won't have to look for anything else. Just maintain your proper form, and then you will feel the burn in your triceps. Very nice. How many reps? 10. Let's do 2 more. 1. Last rep. Make it count. Very nice. Very nice. Let's do 12 reps. Nice and slow. 1. Keep breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very nice. Yes. 6. Keep going. 7. Very nice. Don't stop. Don't give up yet. 8. 9. Let's do 3 more. 3 more. Come on. Keep breathing. 10. Very nice. 2 more. 1. Last rep. Last rep. Push it. Very nice. And we are done. After this, we are moving to our next exercise, which is EZ bar curl. You can use a normal barbell curl as well, and you can use an EZ bar. Just use your close grips. Again, don't move your elbows. Keep your elbows steady. 2, very nice. 3. Try to hold there for 1 second to just get the more contraction. Very nice. At the beginning of your workouts, you can use the negative phase to build up more resistance, but as you get more stronger, you won't need to develop more of your negative motions. Very nice. Hold. Very nice. Very nice. Keep going, keep going. How many reps? 11. Last one. 12. You want to do 15? Let's do 3 more. Come on. 1. Very nice. Let's do 2 more. 2. Let's do 1 more. Amazing. You're doing great. Okay. Put down the weight. We're going to rest here for 15-20 seconds. And then we're going to just start with our second set. Again, we are only doing 2 sets here. But if you feel good and you've been doing gym before and you've been working out, you can go for 3 sets. That's easy. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. 4. Don't hold your breath. Make sure you keep breathing. 5. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very nice. Nice and strong. Very nice. How many reps? 8. Let's do more. 9. 10. We're gonna get at least 12 reps. 11. 12. Very nice. Well done. Okay, the next exercise is triceps kickback. We will be using our incline bench. just to make sure, because if you are starting with the workout, kickback is one of the exercises you can do raw. So while you're using the bench, it supports your back and you don't do a lot of momentum and you work more of your triceps. So let's begin. Okay. 1, very nice. 2, 3. Make sure you keep your arms and your elbows locked and you're just using your triceps to complete the motion. At the end of the motion, you can turn your weights out a little so that you can get the deeper contraction for your triceps. Medial hand as well. Alright. Very nice. Let's do 12 to 15 reps. Very nice. Keep going, keep going. Amazing. That's good. So as you can see, while using this bench, you won't be able to cheat. You won't be able to lift a lot of weight, but you will be working out your triceps much better rather than standing and bending and just doing all the momentum. So this is a very good way to work primarily and focus on your triceps. So you can rest after completing one set. You can rest for 20 seconds or maybe 30 seconds, or you can just jump into it. Should we begin? Alright, very nice. 1, 2, very nice. 3, amazing. 4, keep breathing guys. 5, breathe in, breathe out. 6, breathe in, breathe out. 7, 8, 9, at least 12 reps. 10, 11, let's do 15 then. 12, very nice. 3 more to go. 1, very nice. 2, last rep, make it count. Hold it. Very nice, amazing, well done. That's the end of our workouts. After this, we'll be doing some stretches as well. It's very important after every workout, you stretch your muscles for better recovery. So we're gonna begin with our stretches. Let's begin. The first stretch is our forearm stretch. Make sure you don't hold your breath. Amazing. Keep your arm parallel to your shoulder and stretch it out for 20 seconds. Very nice. Okay, let's switch sides. Amazing. Just keep it parallel to your shoulder. Very nice. Keep it steady. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Do it for 20 seconds. Very nice. Alright, relax. Let's switch. You can take a 5 to 10 second break, so that's okay. But don't take it too long. Very nice. Okay, we're going to be holding it for 20 seconds. Amazing. Okay, let's switch. Very nice. And done. Okay, let's move on to our next stretch. Keep your hands to 90 degrees with your arm. This is a very good stretch for your biceps and for your forearms as well. Hold there for 20 seconds. I know it looks easy, but trust me, it's not really that easy. Okay, relax. Relax for 5 to 10 seconds and then jump into it again. I will be holding it for 20 seconds. Very nice. Very nice. Amazing. Hold there for 20 seconds. That's good. Okay. The next stretch is for our triceps. So we work the biceps and triceps together. So you just need to push your hand down. Very nice. Keep breathing. Don't forget to breathe, because if you hold your breath while stretching, it's just not gonna be that effective. You need to make sure you breathe normally during all the stretching sessions. Very nice. Hold it there. Hold it for 20 seconds. And relax. You can wait for 5, maybe 10 seconds, or you can just really jump into it like that. We're just gonna begin. Oh, very nice. Hold it there, hold it for 20 seconds. Keep breathing. Just relax and cool down yourself. This is the time you need to relax yourself, stretch. Very nice. Let's switch out. Okay, so last stretch. Hold it for 20 seconds. Hold it. And done. Thank you very much. This was our end of our gym workout session for biceps and triceps. More workout will be coming to your way. We'll be doing another workout session tomorrow. So do subscribe our channel, share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.